Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's really special. It's Vlogmas day. I'm not really sure, but yesterday you saw me do this table for housing work. So today I want to show you what it looks like in the daylight, and I also want to give you a small Christmas tour of my living room, dining room, because it is a conjoined room. It's I want to say it's about 50% done. There's a whole bunch of other things to do, and you will see that in my Christmas decorating vlog. It's going to be chaos, but let's start off this vlog with a little house tour. Okay, here we go. I'm going to tell you where everything is from too. This is from the Chelsea Flea. I got this from Billy a couple of months ago. I have a huge library of decor books and just amazing tchotchkes. Here's the living room, dining room. Let me back up so you get the full effect. Oh my God, I know it is a lot and it is really colorful and the styles are mixed. I do have to do a video about, I have a decorating formula that kind of went viral. It's called the 3-4-5 decorating method. It's basically like a decorating formula that anybody can use to decorate their home and find their personal style. I came out with it maybe, I don't know, 2 months or so ago. No, not 2 months ago, 2 years ago. I came out with it maybe 2 years ago, maybe more. I'm not really sure. But it's just been getting traction now. So I just wanted to show you guys that is how I decorated my house. This is actually canvas, 3 painting canvases that I wrapped in fabric, and then I added hinges and I made a TV screen. That way you don't see this big black box, because this is one of Alex's only things. He's like, I don't care what you do decorating wise, you're gonna give me my big screen TV. So that's the only way we can conceal it. I could get a frame TV, but y'all, my shit running 15 years, it was $2,000. It ain't broken, I ain't switching it up. This is my pottery collection. As you can see, I have a lot of different tchotchkes. This really cool shell box. Got this from the Flea, and in here I have some of Casa's art. This is one of my wedding photos in this gorgeous thrifted silver frame. Everything is thrifted. $5. This is my daughter's art, so I keep it here. Just really collected. This is really cool. These are DIYs, magazine files to hold all of my magazines, like Art Digest, Domino, House and Garden. I have them on both sides. Maybe I'll link that tutorial in the description below so you can try to do some if you want. And this is my mantle garland. This is 3 garlands. Well, 2. One of them is magnolia, and this is from Ballard Design. And this is one I got super on sale from my local pharmacy that had Decor. These are paper chains that I made 5 years ago, and they're just blowing up all over the internet. I've been doing these paper chain shits forever, guys, literally forever, and they're just everywhere right now, and it is kind of annoying because you're this is personal and this is collected and this is a great little Christmas craft, and now it's just kind of that song that just keeps playing over and over, and now and you're annoyed by it. Yeah, that's what it's like. These amazing chintz chairs, they're Colfax and Fowler. These are amazing. What is this? Oh, look, absorb gel. Okay, cool. These I got on Facebook Marketplace before the chintz resurgence, and these were $500 for the pair. And they came out of a gorgeous mansion in Connecticut, and they had the price tags under the cushion. And y'all, they were commissioned by a very famous interior designer, and they were $10,000. And I'm gonna leave it at that. The Dorothy Draper chests, these I found. This is such a crazy story. It was unlisted on Craigslist as an estate sale, and these weren't even in the photos. They were in a garage, in a basement, as a storage, shelving. And I was like, are these for sale? And he was like, yeah, $25 if you want them. And I was like, okay. So I got them $25 each, y'all. And the crazy part is that I went with my friend Bobby to pick them up, and they totally didn't fit in the car. And we had to put one in the back seat and one in the trunk, and we had to tie the trunk closed with a phone charger. With a charger. I know, crazy. Oh, this is my new favorite lamp. This is a Pookie lamp. I just got this. I'm working with them for the holidays. They're going to be one of my giveaway prizes. If you don't know, I'm doing 12 days of Christmas on my Instagram. 12 chances to win amazing prizes that I love and have in my own home. This is a wireless lamp. There's a chance to win 2 of these. One for you and one for a friend. So if you haven't, go ahead on my Instagram and keep a lookout, because that's going to be pretty soon. These my favorite lamps. I get questions about these all the time. These are Rougere, depends on who you ask. And these are vintage. I got these several years ago on eBay for about 200 bucks. I actually paid more for shipping than the lamps. They were in bad condition. Had to glue them together, had to do some cleaning. It was a lot. This I just got at Housing Works for our collab that we're doing together. I'm working with Housing Works this holiday season. And this is from Anthro. It's one of the only things that I actually bought from a store shell collection. My daughter and I love shells, and we collect shells wherever we go. She picks up rocks. She loves rocks, bugs, like anything like that. And then over here are some art portraits of Central Park. I got these at a thrift store for $20 each. They're original. They're gorgeous. I just love them. And this I picked up literally while I was walking from the farmer's market. 20 bucks. Just this lady was just like selling a bunch of random shit. And that's my favorite type of, you know, sale. And if you notice, I have a lot of Polaroids like in photo frames. And this is just like, I don't know, a couple of Christmases ago. Me and Alex. I just think like your house should be personal. And like you should have things that, you know, look like you or are about you. You know, I love looking at these. These are all like really great memories that we had. Look how small Kiara was here. Wait, no, she's pretty much older. One day I'm going to look back at these photos and really just reminisce about just the amazing times we had. That's really personal. And I love shells. So this is a little shell dish. This, I got at Showplace. This is my favorite thing ever. This is my friend Sam. He makes these amazing home products, these amazing scents. The Vintage Advisor is his shop name. Oasis is the scent. I have this in everything. I have it in a candle. I have it in a diffuser. I have it in a room spray. Whenever people come over, they're like, what is that? And I'm like, it's this right here. I'm going to link it below so you can purchase. It's fucking amazing. When I tell you it's better than some of the high-end scents I've had, I'm not lying. These... I love so much. I did these in my one room challenge makeover. The video is somewhere on my YouTube, yeah. And then these are individual bowl pieces made by my friend Jenny Andrews. She is an amazing artist, and I've had these for a couple years now, and I just love them. They're just like fun and like kind of mod, and I just love how they play up against each other. And then this is a table skirt I made. It's a faux table skirt. Look at that. This is Scotch tape. I know, right? Maybe I'll include the tutorial for that as well in my description below. Y'all, your girl is talented, okay? She's good at clothes. She's good at decor. She's good at DIY. She's good at a lot of shit. This is the table you guys saw yesterday in the nighttime when me and Alex made it. It looks just as good, I want to say, in the daylight. Like, insane. Lovely, lovely. And everything is thrifted. Just the Target plates that I got like 10 years ago, which were worth it in my opinion. And then we have the tree. The tree looks amazing. Yeah. The chairs, these are from Housing Works. Like, I want to say a really long time ago, maybe like 8 years ago. I had them recovered in a Scalamandry stripe that I got at the sample sale. These are from an auction, from Auction Ninja. These actually belong to, do you know Ryan from $1 Million Listing? These came out of his Hamptons home. I know, wild. And then we have this amazing vintage floor lamp that I got from my friend Abigail Bell Vintage. Abby's one of my really good friends from like way back. She has an amazing shop. She used to sell vintage clothes and like housewares, but now she just does art. Like, you guys got to check her out. And then these are Decor. They came out of an estate sale, and I got them for $150 each. And they were from Craigslist. Yeah, Craigslist used to be popping before Facebook Marketplace. Then this amazing like Burl the Little Chest I got from Remix New York City, which is one of my favorite thrift stores, Remix Market. And it's just popping, literally popping. So good. These are all things I've thrifted. This came out of the Church Mouse thrift store in Palm Beach. If you've ever gone, that's one of my favorite thrift stores in Palm Beach. Then we have my doggy wall. These are all doggies I've collected over the years. And a couple years ago, I just, you know, made a doggy wall with little brackets that I've collected as well. The big pagoda mirror, I actually have two. I got these on Craigslist, $300 for the pair. Insane. The sofa is custom, down-filled, performance fabric and everything. And I got this on Facebook Marketplace for $500, which is the deal of a lifetime. And then just little things. This lamp I thrifted. These are like some books, some little tchotchkes. my grandparents back in the day. Pillows are Scalamander Latigue, and then these are from my friend Betsy at Little Pillow Design Co. This is also going to be one of the giveaways for pillows. So if you guys need some gorgeous designer pillows, those are going to be in the giveaway. So the paper chains I've made, and they're from Etsy. Like, I got the paper from Etsy already cut because, girl, I don't have time. You know what I'm saying? I am strapped for time. Another thing, look, this has a wireless bulb in it. Ah, girl, stop. I know, at night, this looks so fun, and it's so pretty. Oh, it's cheap, too. Okay, I'll put it in the description below so you can see what it is, just in case you're interested. Because, y'all, your girl has a lot of cool, like, rental-friendly, non-permanent solutions, you know? For lighting, especially. Last of the bunch, we have this Latigue Ottoman, which I got at Remix Market, NYC. Like I said, one of my favorite thrifts. It's just popping. And, guys, that's really the tour so far. The stockings are quilted. They're from eBay. I love them. They're made after like a crazy quilt, which is one of my favorite things ever. I love crazy quilts. And this garland is from Grandin Road, and I got it from Facebook Marketplace, and I added a lot of things to it, actually. I added orange slices, and I added these like German gold foil papers. I added chandelier crystals, like loose chandelier crystals. If you have any, just add them to your garland. And this makes it like glitter at night. It looks gorgeous. Like, it doesn't need a lot, you know, just a couple, because at night, like when they reflect the light, they shine so bright. It just looks gorgeous. And that's my little magazine holder. And guys, this is the little Christmas tour. I hope you enjoyed that for today's Vlogmas. You saw this already come together, and you saw the little video I filmed. And that's the tour, guys. I have so much work to do today, so I'm gonna go on my laptop and I'm gonna go do the thing. So I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's Vlogmas, and this video of Christmas decorating will be up sometime in December. I need to finish. I have a lot of what to do, kitchen, entry, like just so much more, some crafting. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait, no, can I just show you some of my favorite ornaments? The Nutella, the pizza rat, if you know, you know. The New York City coffee cup. This vintage Wizard of Oz. Wait, no, there's a bunch of them. I got these from Showplace like last year. Look. Oh my God, the little lion. Oh my God, Kiara's first Christmas. Ah! Oh, look, the little sheep that you saw from my Showplace haul. Bah. So cute, very eclectic, but it's also very collected. Those ornaments I got from Marcel did me so good. Oh, love. Now I just have to add tinsel, add the tree skirt, and wrap some gifts. Also doing an insane project with art. I like found 13 pieces of art, original art, in the trash a couple months ago. It was a big thing. It went viral and everything. And I'm having them reframed with Frame It Easy, who is also one of the giveaway partners. And I'm doing custom framing for those pieces, and I'm adding them onto my entry gallery, but it's a mess right now. I can't show you. I mean, I guess I could kind of show you. Hold on. Okay, this is my entry gallery, all original art. And as you see, there's like art just stacked. Yeah. That's going to be reframed, and we're going to just hang it back all around. It's going to come all the way down to here. Sharing more decorating stuff this month just because it is such a decorating heavy month. Like, this is where I do like most of my projects for Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.